Evening, everybody. I was just thinking about a story my granddaddy told me. We used to call him Pop-Pop. And he used to raise sheep up here in Pennsylvania. And he had an old country boy buddy of his named Wally. And they heard about a pack of wild dogs that had banded together. And apparently they were roaming around the area years ago. And apparently they had gotten so brave, this bunch of dogs was running about a half dozen or more. They had gotten so brave to chase a youngin' up onto the porch after him. So they'd been hearing about it, and one day they seen them pack of dogs out in the field. So his buddy Wally had always been with him. They was good pards. And Wally's brother happened to be with him. Turns out that batch of dogs went down after my granddaddy's sheep herd. And by the time they made it to the knoll, I think 3 or 4 sheep got killed. I don't remember exactly. But then Wally and his brother, they pulled the rifles out and laid hell to them dogs, rolled them while they was running. Ass over teacups, we call it. And I always enjoyed hearing my granddaddy talk about that story because it was almost like he was reliving it all over again. And I'm sure there's another moral to the story, but the moral I took from it was beware dogs that run in packs and hunt sheep. Because once they're done with the sheep, they're coming for your kids. God bless. Be good.